Hello guys, welcome to the 14th day of Christmas DIYs, and today we're making something similar to stars that we made a few days ago. We will be making these little Christmas trees. I will link down below the pattern that I'm using. This is a Christmas tree photo from Google. I will link it down below. And we will cut out these little trees. I will do the blue, red ones and green ones. Those ones I like the most. So you will need that pattern printed in color, scissors to cut it out, toothpicks. Those are the round ones because I do prefer round ones to the rectangular ones. You'll be using this paper glue to glue the pattern to the toothpicks. And you will need, well, you don't have to, but today I'm going to use this chocolate. This is Serbian chocolate with cherry inside and with some alcohol in it. This is my favorite dessert. It's produced in Serbia and I love it so much. And that's all you will be needing. So yeah, let's start with cutting out the pattern that we'll be using. Eternity later, we have 3 red ones, 3 green ones, and 3 blue ones. We are going to glue the chopsticks on the Christmas trees. I'm going to speed up the process. Don't forget to put something under because you don't want to ruin your background. Gluing, you need to let them dry. It will take some time, but you really need to let them dry. And when they dry, we're just gonna stick them into the candies and they will look super cute. I got inspired by a pin on Pinterest. I will link down below in my description box the original pin that inspired me. But these ones look very different and the candies are awesome. This can look very festive on the table, you know, the little Christmas trees into the red candies. It looks very festive. If you have some guests, it looks very cute. When it dries, they look like this. I really like the shape. So you just now stab them into the chocolate from the upper side, so like this. This is how the end product looks like. I think it's so cute. It's very festive colors. It will be even nicer if it's golden tree or something like that. If you like my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, follow me on my social networks. All links will be down below in the description box, as well as my Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow for 15th day of Christmas DIYs. And stay safe and sound and find your inner ground. Bye!